Today, we delve into the world of the DJI Avid 3, a cutting-edge FPV drone that redefines aerial performance, safety, and creativity. Engineered for enthusiasts, content creators, and professionals alike, the Avid 3 is more than a drone. It's a comprehensive aerial ecosystem. Combining innovative features, exceptional durability, and a user-centric design, this drone caters to both casual pilots and seasoned experts. At the heart of the DJI Avid 3 lies its next-generation 4K camera, setting a new gold standard in aerial imaging. Equipped with a cutting-edge image sensor, the drone delivers vivid, crystal-clear visuals with stunning detail and dynamic range. From sunlit landscapes to dimly lit urban environments, the Avid 3 excels across all lighting conditions, ensuring every shot is captivating. Building on the legacy of its predecessors, the Avid 3 features a sleek, compact design paired with unmatched durability. Its lightweight frame enhances maneuverability while ensuring resilience during adventurous flights. Crafted from reinforced materials, this drone is built to withstand minor impacts, making it ideal for high-energy exploration. The DJI Avid 3 boasts an upgraded propulsion system, pushing the boundaries of speed, agility, and precision. With a flight time of up to 25 minutes, it offers ample opportunity to capture mesmerizing aerial footage. The enhanced propulsion system enables dynamic maneuvers, perfect for intricate patterns or high-speed chases. Paired with advanced obstacle detection sensors, the Avid 3 ensures safe navigation through complex environments, catering to both beginners and seasoned pilots. The DJI Avid 3 offers an unparalleled first-person view, FPV experience. Seamlessly connecting to DJI's latest FPV goggles, pilots enjoy ultra-high-definition live feeds with minimal latency. Whether soaring over landscapes or threading through tight spaces, the FPV experience puts you in the pilot's seat like never before. Safety is a cornerstone of DJI's design philosophy, and the Avid 3 is no exception. Equipped with omnidirectional obstacle sensors, the drone detects and avoids hazards from all angles. The return to home (RTH) function autonomously brings the drone back to its takeoff point if the battery runs low or the connection is lost. With an upgraded battery system, the Avid 3 offers up to 25 minutes of flight per charge, a game-changer for creators needing uninterrupted shooting sessions. Quick battery swaps minimize downtime, while fast-charging capabilities ensure you're ready to take off again in no time. The DJI Fly App provides real-time telemetry, live video feeds, and customizable settings through an intuitive interface, unlocking the drone's full potential. Losing a drone can be stressful, but the Find My Drone feature offers peace of mind. Using GPS tracking, the drone's last known location is displayed on a real-time map within the DJI Fly App. For short-range searches, the drone emits audible beeps, aiding retrieval even in dense environments. The DJI Avid 3 is a testament to DJI's commitment to innovation and excellence. Combining top-tier camera capabilities, unmatched flight performance, and advanced safety features, it redefines the FPV drone experience. Whether you're an aspiring pilot or a seasoned professional, the Avid 3 is the perfect tool for turning your creative dreams into reality. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the DJI Avid 3. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated on the latest in drone technology. Until next time, keep exploring, innovating, and reaching new heights.